Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use Mathematica to solve equations. So I would like to give you a simple example. For example, let me consider solution 1 and I call solve. This is the solution command, and then I write an equation like ax plus b, and let's say this is equal to 0. Then I put a comma, and then I put x, and then again I close square bracket. So this is a command. Solution is the command for solving equation, but you must note here I have put double sign because single sign in Mathematica like over here is used for assignment. When I solve this equation, the value would be assigned to solve 1, and for equation to equate we use double sign, and this thing means I asked Mathematica to solve this equation for x. Now if I press this shift and enter button on my keyboard, oh yes, I made a mistake. You see what mistake I made? I have put ax, so this is a single variable. I need to add a space to it or put the asterisk between them. If now I run, it gives me the value of x equal to minus b by a, and you see it is written in the form of an assignment. It is written in the form of an assignment because the value assigned to solve 1 can be reused in any other expression. For example, if I want to substitute the value in x squared, I would just put backslash and then a dot and would write solve 1 here. And if I run this out now, the value assigned to solve 1, which is this value, would be put into this one equation, and it will give me b squared divided by a squared. You see, it replaced the value into b squared divided by a squared. I can do one more thing. If I put a semicolon over here and then run, Mathematica will not show the result. Now if I run this, Mathematica will not show the result. You see, it is not showing the result. But what Mathematica has calculated is, in fact, added to solve 1 has been assigned to solve 1. And if I now put solve 1 over here and I run this, it will give me the same result. You see, I got the same result. So now if we use an equation like, let me add another equation, solve 2, and I want to solve this in the form x squared equals, let me say it a squared, and then I put comma and then put x and then close the bracket, the square bracket. So now I asked Mathematica to solve this one equation. You see there is a difference between these two equations, and here I put 0 on the right side, and here I am putting a square on the right side. That doesn't make any difference. The important thing is that we put the double equal sign, so that defines an equation. And now if I solve this, you see it gives two values for a. Now if I substitute this value, let's say in x cube, I want to put this in this value in x cube, and I put the same thing, and now I write solve 2. If I run this, Mathematica will evaluate this equation x cube for both of these values and will give me a list. For example, if I run this, it gives me, right, once Mathematica has placed this value, that gives a minus cube, and once Mathematica has replaced this value, and it gives me a cube. I can put these value one by one into this one equation. For example, if I add double brackets and I put 1, that means I'm telling Mathematica to use the first value of x, this one value. So now if I run this, it will give me one value. You see, it gives me only minus a cube. And if I put this to 2, then I'm telling Mathematica to use the second value of x. So now if I put this, it gives me this thing. AQ. Yet that is, it replaces this value at this position. So similarly, you can use a polynomial of order 3, and you can use any polynomial. For example, let me add one more thing. I want to use solve 3. This is an assignment, and I want to solve an equation of the form a time uh, x cubed plus b times x squared plus c equals, I would put double equals 0, and then I ask Mathematica to solve this for x. Now if I run this equation, you see Mathematica has found three values. One this value, right, within this bracket, one this value, and the other this one value. So this way we can solve a simple equation in Mathematica. The command for the solution of equation is solve. And then thanks for watching.